Mia, I think we're rolling. Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Cooking with Mia and Leah. We're making edible cookie dough. The rating today is a dab. So we're gonna need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt. Our softened butter is already soft, so now we're gonna throw it into the pot. We're gonna put in the 1 cup of brown sugar, the 2 tablespoons of milk, the 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We're gonna put 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we're gonna mix this. You know how to turn it on? Yeah? Let's put it on high speed. Ready? Let's go. Smells good. It's cookie time! Give me a spatula. Got it. That's a cheese grater, not a spatula. I didn't mean to pick up this. I know what this is. It's a cheese grater. You use that to make cheese. Is this good enough? Not this kind of spatula. Okay, do I mix it now? Yeah. Nope. Chocolate chips in? No. There's nothing else here to put in. What do you start to mixing? Put in? You want me to mix the spatula too? Put this down. I got this. Okay, so now that we're finished mixing, I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, so I'm scraping it off. Mom! Hopefully got through.
Yeah.
Do that. Take this off.
What happened to my kitchen?
Oh, and the
Leah
floor.
happened.
No.
There you go.
Don't mess with me, Mom. So now that we have the bowl of cookie dough, we're gonna add the chocolate chips. Do the honors of stirring.
Spoon. Tyler.
Can I eat it?
Aiden.
Can I eat it? Okay guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And check out our Instagram at Kids Cooking with Mia and Leah. Bye-bye. Ow!